Hi everyone. I just thought I'd do a little video there on the importance of the essential driver training, EDT as it's known, the logbook importance, the importance of the EDT logbook when you're learning to drive. Now, first of all, it's your logbook, so you have to keep the logbook in between lessons. It is your logbook, and your lessons are recorded in that logbook. It's very important that you keep it. Should you decide to change your driving instructor, or should you be forced into changing your driving instructor because the driving instructor you had may not operate anymore, and there's a bit of that happening nowadays. If you don't have your lessons recorded from your EDT logbook, the new instructor you will get, if the EDT lesson number 1 is not recorded, then the new instructor cannot log any lessons for you under that logbook number. You'll probably end up having to start the lessons again, possibly from day 1 with a new instructor. Possibly that could happen. So make sure you keep on to your EDT logbook. Don't lose it. I know people change homes and they move house and so on and so forth, and they might lose the logbook. But make sure you don't lose the logbook, folks. If you lose the logbook, it could create a bit of trouble for you. I know of one case recently I had where a lady who started her EDT driving lessons in 2011. Now, she kept on to her logbook, and she was lucky she had a logbook, because her first driving instructor in 2011, and it's now 2018, folks, but her first driving instructor in 2011, he didn't log all of the lessons for her. Now, he logged lesson 1, all right, and a couple more lessons, but he didn't log one of the driving lessons that she did with him. So because she had her logbook, she was able to prove that she had that particular lesson done that wasn't showing in the system by taking a picture of her of that lesson as it was signed off for in her logbook. And she was able to email that then to the Road Safety Authority as proof that she had that particular lesson done. And then she was able to apply for her driving test and get a driving test date after it was shown that she had her 12 lessons done. So it's very important, folks, that you keep on to your EDT logbook when you're doing the 12 initial lessons in Ireland, and that you hold on to that logbook yourself until you get your driving test passed. Will be the best time to hold on to it. Don't lose it, folks. It can be very awkward for any new driving instructor that you go to if you've lost your original logbook, because you see there's actually a special number. This is the picture of the image of the logbook cover here. There's a special number given to each logbook. So that number has to be logged onto the EDT portal, as the Road Safety Authority call it. That number has to be logged for each lesson that you do onto the EDT portal. So if you have to get a new logbook, it's very awkward, folks, you know, for any new driving instructor to get it sorted. Now, we'll do the best we can to try and sort things out for you, you know, but you know, make sure you hold on to your logbook, or at least know how to get a download of the lessons you have already logged from the Road Safety Authority's website. On the home page of the Road Safety Authority's website, there's a little button called My EDT, and if you click on that button, it asks you to sign into the EDT portal with your name, driver number, date of birth, and so on. And then once you click sign in, all your lessons should show up on that system that you've logged for you. That's how my lady who started her driving lessons in 2011, that's how she found out that even though most of the lessons she did with that particular instructor in 2011 were logged, there was one lesson not logged, and she nearly had to do extra lessons as a result of it, which would have cost her extra money. So folks, keep on to your logbook. Don't mislay it. Don't lose it. Keep on to it. Okay? Until your driving test is done. Now folks, I hope that video is of benefit to you. So if you like the video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We like to have people subscribe to our channel because we make little videos to help people along as best we can, you know. Every little bit helps, as I say. And until next time, so folks, we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.